The Office of the Chief Electoral Officer Meghalaya on Monday, the 25th of January, backed the Special Award for IT Applications in Elections by the Election Commission of India in the National Best Electoral Practices Award 2020 on the occasion of National Voters' Day. The award was conferred on the Meghalaya CEO F.R. Kharkongor by the President of India, Ramnath Kovind, virtually, in the physical presence of Union Minister for Law, Justice and Parliamentary Affairs, Ravi Shankar Prasad, Chief Election Commissioner Sunil Arora and Election Commissioners Sunil Chandra and Rajiv Kumar at the National Level Voters' Day Award function held at New Delhi on the 25th of January 2021. Special award is given in recognition of the sustained and consistent IT application efforts in electoral activities.
The Election Commission has always been at the forefront of championing the use of technology, both in the pre-election, during the election as well as in the post-election, and also in the entire E20 process, that means from enrollment to the elections. So I'm very happy to share with you that on behalf of the entire election machinery and on behalf of the team, the Election Commission has awarded a special prize to the Office of the CEO Meghalaya and the team for consistent use of IT applications in the various electoral exercises. So, this year, I'm happy to share with you that the number of voters has gone up significantly, and now we are 20,16,000, and so steadily we've been increasing from year to year, and the number of 18 to 19 new voters also have been coming in steady numbers.
National Voters' Day was also observed across Meghalaya with various activities being held across the state.
25th January is the foundation day of the Election Commission of India. National Voters' Day was first celebrated in 2011 to encourage young voters to take part in the electoral process. This year too, we join hands with the rest of the country in our state across 60 assembly constituencies and 3194 polling stations to celebrate National Voters' Day in a befitting manner. In the present scenario, most of the voter education programs, awareness have had to be organized online. However, the Office of the Chief Electoral Officer along with the district teams are leaving no stone unturned to protect the flame of democracy and to celebrate National Voters' Day. It is indeed encouraging to learn that this year, due to COVID-19, online voter education is being carried out through online electoral literacy clubs to prepare young and future voters of the country.
Earlier today, a cycling event called the Wheels of Democracy was flagged off by the District Election Officer, East Khasi Hills, Ms. Isa Wanda Lalu from Bharat Scouts and Guides to the Raj Bhavan in Shillong.
You know, according to me, this day is very important to us because it's remind us, like as a youth, we have a huge responsibility for our nation. So most of the people, you know, especially youths, they don't really perform in this voting day. So from my side, I will recommend you to come and vote because who knows, your votes might change something by choosing the right leaders.
This day is important because it gives us the awareness as a student that in the future we can vote and choose our leader.
Actually, this day it reminds us that each and every one of us, we have a right to vote, those who are above 18 years of age. But we have to think before voting, not just for the sake of money. We have to think for a better future, for a change. We have to vote so that there is a change, that we can live for a better society.
Programs, awards, dance and singing shows were also conducted at Raj Bhavan Shillong on the theme Making Our Voters Empowered, Vigilant, Safe and Informed, encouraging the active participation of voters with a focus on safe and secure elections. Later in the afternoon, the Office of the Deputy Commissioner, East Khasi Hills, Shillong, observed the occasion when newly registered voters were handed epic cards. TNT Bureau.